Many things are happening throughout the world. In most countries of the world, things are happening very quickly. Just look at the change in the United States in attitudes towards same-sex relationship recognition. In some countries, not enough is happening and things are happening slowly. This is a great human rights movement, and it's therefore very useful to have people who are in the leadership of that movement, who can gain strength from each other's position, gain strength from learning from each other, but also realise that they've got to keep their feet on the ground, that not everybody thinks as much or wants to think as much about LGBT rights as they do. And this is therefore a kind of globalism, but with a reality check. And I think that's very useful at this stage. Well, the law has often been an oppressor of LGBT people, particularly in English-speaking countries. All of them inherited the English criminal law, and it's still in place in the great majority of them. In 42 of the 54 countries of the Commonwealth of Nations, criminal laws still oppress LGBT people. So the law can be a hindrance, but as we discovered with the HIV epidemic, law can also be a supporter of new thinking and new directions. We found with HIV that paradoxically, the best way to protect people against infection, including MSM, men who have sex with men, was to reach out to them, to engage them, and to overcome their fears of stigma and hostility. So that this is a moment when the law is being tested. In many countries, sadly, it is not meeting the test, but that's the value of coming together at Salzburg, that we can learn from the experience of each other, and we can look at how others went forward and hopefully apply some of the lessons in different cultures, including different legal cultures.